Hi, my name is Michelle Dufresne. In my last teaching tip, I was talking about using sound boxes during word study part of guided reading program. If you haven't seen that, you probably want to watch that first. Today I'm going to talk about using sound boxes during the writing part of guided reading. So one of the things that is important is for children to learn how to say words slowly, listen for the sounds, and write down the sounds that they hear. They're not always going to be correct. If they haven't seen the word in print, they're not going to know about the silent letters or some of the letters that make the same sound, but it's a way to build some independence. They learn a lot about letters and sounds by using this procedure. So as they're writing their story, I'm going to turn to a page that has some lines on it. One of the things that I like about this particular writing journal is it has the alphabet up here to help them, and it has this practice part of the page here. So when the student has a word to write that they don't know how to spell, let's take the word, let's say they're going to write the word log, you would make some sound boxes on the page for them. Now, one of the things that I will see in a group setting is students trying to make their own boxes because they know that the boxes help them hear sounds. But you have to say, nope, that's my job. Let me make some boxes for you. The reason is they don't know how many sounds they're trying to hear, so you don't want them making their own boxes. So with a pencil, you make, for log, there would be 3 boxes. So you make that, and now the student does just what they do during the guided, the word study. They're going to run their finger under the boxes, and then they're going to put the sounds in. So they would go log, log, and they put the sounds in, and then they copy it into their story. I find that this really helps build some independence. You will find yourself, if you have a large group of students that you're working with, making a lot of boxes. But if you've taught it well during word study, they understand how to do the task, and they can be doing different words at different parts of the lesson with less support from you. So that's how it works. I think you'll find it very useful during guided writing.